Experience the Pyramid Challenge, a dynamic team-building activity that sharpens resource calculation, time management, and teamwork. Build your way to success as you and your team create a structure that stands tall and strong. Step 1. Form your teams and assign roles. Start by constructing smaller pyramids, each requiring precision and collaboration. Step 2. Strategize and execute. Use the right permutation and combination to arrange your smaller pyramids into a giant, unified structure. Step 3. Rise to the challenge. See how your teamwork and planning come together to build something greater than the sum of its parts. Final outcome. Gain valuable insights into change, collaboration, and communication as you work together to achieve a common goal.